I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today we're going to open Shadow High Nicole Steele. She is my second to the last Shadow High to open, and I saved my favorite for last. You can deduct who that is. Or at least, excuse me, I think she's my favorite. Once I get these dolls out of the box, there is so much more to see than you can see through the boxes. I really like these Shadow High dolls. There are things, of course, I don't like about them, but boy, I'll tell you, I'm hooked. I love the Rainbow High. I'm all about color, but they did these right. They really did these nice. Now Ash, he's sitting there with the ladies all around, but he sees a flash of color over there, and really you can't miss her. She's a fiery little lady in a fiery outfit. Okay, we have Nicole out of the box. I like her very much. She's a very pretty doll. I wanted to leave her and show you that she can actually stand on her own. She does come with a stand and a comb and a second outfit that is absolutely fabulous. These dolls, oh my goodness. They did not cheat us in clothing for these dolls. What she is wearing is a little dress over some biker pants with some stockings or socks, I guess, knee highs. I like this little piece in here, this incandescent stripe with the black. The shoes are shoes. They're fine. I like her, but she is an awful lot like Luna. I think at a glance people are going to confuse these dolls. Yes, they have different tones and clothes and hair, but they're a lot alike. The top is one piece. It goes on with Velcro. It's very cute. It's got the cutouts at the sleeve, but that is sewn into the dress. As a seamstress, I am amazed by these clothes, just amazed. Once again, we have the really cool fingernails. I love that. Her face, I love. I cannot stand this painted on hair. That, I hate it. She has the Shadow High earrings, and they look like a zipper pull, or they do to me. Really cute. I love her face mold. Her hair is really cute. It has tinsel in it. I am a fan of that. Look at her part. She's got the lightning part. So cute. Overall, I'm really pleased with this doll. She's very beautiful. I like the Shadow High. They're different. The yang to the yin of the Rainbow High. I really like this whole series. I really like this doll. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.